Good day to all. Today we are going to see the water resources available in Coimbatore and how it got polluted. Come on guys, let's check out the video and learn things. This place is called Tondamuttur and from here only we are going to start our journey. Tondamuttur is being the place situated in Coimbatore outskirts. Here we are having more amount of coconut farm, banana farm, betel nut farm. See the way in which we are having our travel, we can able to see more amount of coconut farms, the traditionally built houses by the farmers inside their farms. So this is how the entire place of Tondamuttur will be looking like. So in this particular place, we are having one particular substation, electricity substation, whereby from here, the in and around people of Tondamuttur have been getting the electricity for their regular use consumption and for their agricultural purpose also. So see that particular beautiful of farmland, coconut farm, and here itself you can able to see the banana farmland also. So as I mentioned you, the particular substation has been coming to our view. So this has been the particular substation. So from here, when you have been taking left means we can easily reach Madambatti, and from there we can reach the main road which has been connecting towards Ukkadam and Gandhipuram. So when you have been taking the left means we can able to go towards a place called as Chitrai Chavadi. It has been the check dam which has been available in this particular area, and from that particular check dam the farmers have been getting the water for their irrigational activity. So both the sides we have been having the lands which have been surrounded with the coconut farms, turmeric farms, banana farms, betel nuts, and somewhere around you can see the eucalyptus trees also. So inside these farms we have been having the mango trees, then jackfruit trees can also be taken into consideration. These things are also been giving certain kind of fruits for the irrigational activities towards the farmers. So this particular land what we have been seeing now is supposed to get into plowed by the farmers, and it is supposed to get into the irrigation activity. See the beautiful coconut farm has been arriving. This particular farm has been surrounded with the fencing, whereby the farmer has been used both organic material and inorganic material to have this particular fencing to carry out. So the same travel thing. Almost you can see n number of trees over here. Jackfruit will be coming, mango trees will be coming, the farmers will be standing and having their chat. See this particular gate, it has been one particular farm entry. We are supposed to enter through this particular gate to that particular farm. So this particular land has been plowed and ready to have the irrigation activity. You can able to see that particular blue color area, no, that shelter like thing where the motor has been fixed, and you can able to see the banana farm also. So this particular land has been fully plowed and has been ready to have the irrigation activity. So somewhere around in that particular outskirts you have been having the coconut, and you can see one particular traditional house also which is being built over there. This is another entry for a farm area. So one particular van has been standing here. See the coconut shells has been kept ready to give it for the marketing purpose, and we can see more amount of coconut trees and small saplings of banana. At the same time all these things has been already harvested, and it is supposed to get into plot for the yet another new irrigation activity. The cocoa bean has been there, they have been cultivated in inside the coconut farm. This particular thing will be called as an udupurul in Tamil. So we can able to see the traditional house inside the farm also. See more. See the farmers have been standing and tractor has been ready to have the activity. I think this particular season has been rainy season, and we can able to see small amounts of droplets of rains also. See this particular organic fencing what they have been taken into consideration. Most of the trees here it has been the betel nut tree along with the coconut trees also. Are you able to see this particular jackfruit tree? See, all these things now what we have been seeing in the screen has been the betel nut trees. Parknu solluvola, all those things have been coming into our screen. This has been the banana land, banana farm. So again coconut trees have been coming. So all these things has been taken in the left hand side. The right hand side will be having the canal. From that particular canal only all these farmers will be taking the water for their irrigation activity. So government will be fixing the time also. Based on the periodical schedule, the time will be allotted, and on that particular day or on that particular week or month, the farmers will be getting the water for irrigation for their farming activities. So the water which has been taken from the canal will be straightly let into the water tank or else in the well what they have been having in their farm, or else simply they'll be taking all the water towards the required farmlands. பாத்தி கட்டி பாய்ச்சறதுன்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க. So here we can able to see again the coconut farms. So both the sides it will be like it will be in this particular view only. The video has been taken in the left hand side. So see one particular house. So when you see high trees, see this particular mango tree, how much height it has been. Jackfruit also. So during the seasonal period, you can take that particular fruit from these kinds of trees. People will be doing the commercial activity at the same time they will be having their harvest and they will be giving to their friends and relatives. How beautiful it has been. See, check out the video. How beautiful. See this particular organic fencing. Padalnu solvanga. In Tamil it has been called as padal. So this particular area what you have been seeing in the name of it's like a shelter, no, where the onions will be taken into stock. All the irrigated onions after harvesting, all these things will be taken into a particular stock area. In Tamil they used to call it as Vengaya Pattarai. So now we are able to see the banana farm. So like this only the entire path will be there until we are going to reach that particular dam, check dam, Chitrai Chavdi. So now are you able to see certain ponds? In this particular pond we have been having the fish cultivation, fish farming is being carried out. So this is also for the commercial activity only. People who have been staying over here, they have been taking the fishes from various dams, that is from Tamil Nadu Meen Utpala Nilayam, and they have been cultivating, they have been doing this particular fish farming activities. Here also you can see that particular onion godown, the stocking area. So this particular farm has been called as an turmeric. So now we have been reached the particular check dam. Tamil Nadu Arasu Podupanithurai, Chitrai Chavadi Anaikattu, Neeriyal Vivarangal. So here they have been given the entire details about this particular check dam. So this particular check dam will be receiving the water from the Silvani dam. So from Sadi Vayal, the water will be coming. So we used to popularly call that particular place as Kovai Kutralam. The water which has been coming in that particular Kovai Kutralam has been coming to this particular Chitrai Chavadi check dam, and from here the water is being given towards the farmers irrigation activity, and the remaining water or else the surplus water will be straightly taken towards the ponds. We are in Coimbatore, we are having many ponds in and around of Perur, Kuniyamuttur, Kovaipudur, Ukkadam. We are having more amount of ponds. So all those ponds will be taken the particular water from this particular resource. See, in order to have that particular safety measures, people have been given this particular thorn substance over there. So this has been called as Madagu or else a shutter. So here the water will be having two ways. It will be having the two branches. One, this particular area will be having the name of Noyal River, and this will be taken towards the canal. So here we are having four shutters. Can you able to see? Madagu in Tamil they used to say. Or else in simple language it can be called as a compound also. Can you able to see four types of screws over here? These four types of screws have been called as the shutters or else the Madagu. So when this particular shutter has been getting into open means water will be going in this particular canal. So this particular water which has been coming in this particular big area, so this will be turned into the name called as the Noyal River. So see how much pollutants have been there in this particular check dam area. So it's all because of the human beings who have been going and having their picnic area over there. People will be having a very good enjoyment in these kinds of spots, and they used to have their food and all over here. So after having their food, almost all the waste particles will be left over here. You can able to see in this now now you can able to see this particular thing. No, after having the food, all the plates have been thrown over here. See how many found over here. At the same time you can able to see the plates, plastic bottles, plastic paper plates. So when the water has been having the flow means almost all the things will be taken, and at the same time when we are not having the adequate amount of water and there is no water flow means all those waste particles will be stagnant in this particular area itself. So this is how the pollutions are supposed to get to happen. So almost this particular water resource may be taken as the drinking water also. So due to these kinds of food particles, what we have been thrown over here, it will be spoiling the health. See the particular water bed and the sand which has been available here. So see the particular density, deepness of the particular river also you can able to see. So government has to take the measures to prevent all these kinds of pollutants, not to they have to give the awareness towards the public not to pollute the place. So this particular area is being set as the river bed. So almost here only people will be sitting and having all their foods and they will be enjoying their time. After that particular enjoyment, all the leftovers has been put over, especially this particular plastics and all. So we have to much more take conscious and we have to preserve our environment. No, so we have to much more cautious in throwing out of all these kinds of waste in the nature side. So can you able to see this particular river? The beauty of this particular river. So by this time the water has been much more having the minimum capacity. So one particular person has been having a cycle over here. So this is another side of that particular dam. So here through this particular shutters water has been coming over here. I told you no, in the right hand side the canal has been running. This has been this particular canal. So through this particular canal only farmers will be having their water. Periodical water supply will be given towards a farmer to have the irrigation activity at their farmland. So this is now it has been the left hand side. Now the video has been taken at the left hand side. You can able to see this particular 4 shutters now. How beauty has been now. See how water has been having a good flow. While seeing this itself, we are able to enjoy. Can you able to see this particular 4 shutters over there? So in this way only water will be coming. So farmers they will be taking based on their turns through the shutters. So every farmland will be having the shutter. So here it has been projected to you. This is one particular shutter. The water has been having the flow. So through this particular shutter in this area, the water will be taken towards the next side of the farm. So can you able to see the shutter now? The screw like thing has been there, no? So this particular thing will be getting into open. When this particular shutter is being raised up means water will be moving from this particular place to another place. So now it has been on right side. So once the shutter has been getting opened means the water will be able to go towards the next side, the farmland. So now it has been opened. Shutter has been got opened. So you can able to see the water which has been coming from this side to this side. That is from right side to left side. Can you able to see this particular water flow? So this particular thing will be called in the name of Pati in Tamil. The water has been getting inside this particular farmland. Okay. So now the surplus water after this particular water has been given towards the farmland for the irrigation activity, the excess water is supposed to be come towards the pond. So in our pond, this particular pond has been pond is situated in Coimbatore. You can able to see the particular tower. See that particular pollutants which has been there in the beds of the pond. So almost all the water hyacinth is being surrounded in that particular pond area. So government has to take up the preventive measure to have this particular water hyacinth in this particular pond area. Then only water storage can be kept at the maximum level. So or else the groundwater will be having minimum quantity to have its capacity. So now we can able to see this particular pond. Can you able to see the tower which has been erected for the purpose of mobile phones? At the same time you can see the pollutants also. See, people have been enjoying their period by parking their vehicles. They used to catch the fish. They used to have their chatting with their friends. People will be coming for cycling. So, in almost in that particular other side, in the shore of that particular ponds, people have been constructed with their houses also. So, almost in this particular area, what we have been seeing now, government has been taken steps to convert the area into a smart city. Government of Tamil Nadu has been taken the step now. So this particular pond is supposed to get to converted into a smart city in the nearby future. So the water which has been coming through the canal will be arriving the pond. This particular pond has been situated in the Punyamuttur road and popularly called as the Kuruchi Kolam. So this has been called as the catchment area also. So the water which has been coming through the canals will be coming and having its catchment in this particular area. So here also people have been doing the fishing activity, and most of the areas has been surrounded with the water hyacinth plant. See how it has been getting inside this particular pond. So here also we can able to see more amount of pollutants. So people, once they have been coming and having the enjoyment over here, normally they'll be coming to have the chat with their friends and to hang out some, to spend some time. So after all these things has been happened, all the leftovers based on the eatables what they have been brought in their hands, the plastic covers will be put over here. So it's only in our hand to prevent the environment. We have to take preventive measures, and we have to have a habit that we are not supposed to leave anything in the name of leftovers in this particular pond area, river area, whatever, wherever we have been going on, whatever place, it doesn't matter. We have to put all the waste only in the dustbins. So can you able to see this particular bridge that has been connecting that particular canal and the pond catchment area? So this is how the entire pond will be looking like. So this is one way we can able to go to the Kuniyamuttur. Another way we can go to Sundarapuram. So see here, a small kid has been a child, not a kid, as he can be called as a child. He's been doing the fishing activity with his father. He's having a big bag also in his hand. See that particular bag what he's been having. That's not plastic. Can you able to see that particular bag? He's been doing the fishing activity in the pond. So many varieties of fishes can be catched in this particular pond, but especially one variety has been much more popular over here. The variety has been called as Jilepi Kandai. Uh, for this particular fishing activity, they will be taking the earthworms, manbulu we used to say, or else they used to take the waste of the chicken and the mutton. In that particular shop they will be going and getting all these kinds of waste, and they will be taking for doing the fishing activity also. See, he's been having more, I think he's having more fish in that particular bag.
நல்ல தண்ணியா இருக்கும் இது. மத்த நேரத்துல
How
சாக்கடை தண்ணி தானே
carefully
வரும்.
he's been sitting and doing that particular
உள்ள
activity along
வராதுங்களா?
with his father. See, there also you can able to see the plastic bottles. So we have to keep it in our mind to prevent the entire environment. See how nature has been given a good amount of water resource for Coimbatore people through the name, through the particular waterfalls called as Sirvani. But how we have been polluting it. How many ponds and lakes have been there. See, the youngsters are also enjoying in the activity of fishing. See how they have been enjoying, how carefully they have been standing. You can able to see the particular plastic bottles which has been there in the beds. Almost in every area of that particular pond we can able to see this particular plastic bottles, how the water has been getting into polluted, not only because of plastic papers, almost based on all the waste what we are supposed to put on all these kinds of river beds or pond beds or the canal beds. They're enjoying. I think they might have been come with their bike, so their helmet has been kept over here. See their patience not to catch the fish, how much patience we should have. See their patience. Oh, see the fish, what they have been catched. These were the fishes which has been caught by that particular small boy. So this particular variety has been called as Jilepi Kandai. Thank you.